Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about short haircut ideas for older women. Short hair is stylish, comfortable and easy to style. As we grow older, we want hairstyles that save time but still make us look beautiful and confident. A good short haircut can make you look fresh, modern and full of life. First, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. The pixie cut is one of the most popular short hairstyles for older women. It is simple, neat and very easy to style. You only need for few minutes in the morning. Just comb your hair and you are ready. This haircut also makes your face look brighter and highlights your natural beauty. And the great option is the short bob haircut. A bob cut is always elegant and never goes out of fashion. It usually comes to the chin or slightly below. This style frames the face nicely and gives a soft look. You can keep it straight for a clean style or add soft waves for more volume. It is perfect for daily life and special events. If you want a little more texture, you can try a layered short haircut. Layers add movement and make the hair look fuller. This is very helpful if your hair has become thin over time. A layered cut gives a light and natural look without too much effort. Now let's talk about the shaggy short haircut. A soft shag cut with light layers give a relaxed and modern style. It gives not need perfect styling. Even if your hair is a little messy, it still looks fashionable. This style is great for women who like a fun and youthful look. For women with curly hair, a short curly haircut is a beautiful choice. Natural curls look lively and full of volume. You just need a little curl cream and let your hair dry naturally. Curly short hair is easy to manage and looks very stylish. Grey or silver hair also looks amazing with short haircuts. Many older women now proudly show their natural grey hair. A silver pixie or short grey bob looks classy and confident. Just use a good shampoo to keep your grey hair shiny and healthy. Bangs can also make a big difference. Soft side bangs can make your face look softer and more youthful. They can also help cover forehead lines. Light bangs and easy to manage add style a touch. When choosing a short haircut, think about your lifestyle. If you are very active, choose something very short and simple. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.